Sahil,
Hello.
which alphabet you are going to learn today?
I have a dolly machine.
Dolly. And which alphabet you are going to do today?
D.
D. And you have D. What things you have that start with a D?
Doggy.
Doggy, dolly, doggy. You have too many doggies.
Ducks.
Ducks. Can you sing a? Okay. And what is this?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaurs. Okay. Mana, can you sing this poem for us? 5 little ducks. Yes.
Since swimming one day over hills they go away. I said, quack, quack, quack. All the ducks they go.
Read this for us.
This.
This one. Can you read this for us?
This.
Yeah.
D.
D.
Dancing doo-doo.
Dancing doo-doo. Yes. Let's we start our activity. Yes. We start now. Yes.
So,
First you make the wing. Okay.
Eat ducky wing.
Yes.
And put the hair back on.
Manal, can the ducky swim?
Yes.
Yes.
And John Jerry.
What Tom and Jerry?
See, I don't see John Jerry. Is he duck? Quack, quack.
Yes.
Next one.
What is this? Which duck you are making?
Mother.
Mother duck. Capital D. Yes.
Up.
Yes.
I put it.
Put it here. Good job. And what's the next step?
Next.
There is a beak.
Here.
Yeah.
Blue.
Blue.
I like blue.
You like ducks?
Yes.
Yeah.
So friendly.
They are so friendly.
Yes.
Yeah, they are friendly. You want a duck in your house?
Yes.
Which pet you want in your house?
All the pets.
All pets. Can you name some pets?
Doggy.
Doggy. Why you want doggy?
All kinds of like everything pets.
Would you tell me why you like doggy?
It's so cool. Tell me tricks.
Okay, show you tricks. You want? I'm thinking to buy a turtle for you as a pet.
It's so slow.
It's so slow. It's so lazy.
Yes.
No, you don't want a turtle?
No.
Okay.
You have? No. Okay, come on. Mama, eat it.
Googly eye.
What's it? I'm going inside.
What you make now? Inside the eye?
Oh,
Yeah, good job.
Mama,
What you make now?
eyebrow.
Okay. Which shirt you are wearing?
Dolly.
Dolly. And Dolly words start with alphabet?
D.
D. Good.
This way.
Yeah, now you make the foot.
I close the cap.
Yeah, you close the cap.
Why?
Why?
It will dry.
Okay, it not feel dry. Good job.
Put it here.
Put it here. And what's the next step?
Next step is feet.
Feet.
Big
Good.
feet.
Big feet.
Oh.
Yeah. Why you buy so many doggies?
I like more cookies. One.
Yes. Yes.
Scrub.
Scrub.
Your name?
Small D.
A dinosaur.
Dinosaur. First what you are going to make?
I organize it.
You organize it first. Okay. Let's start now. I.
Yeah.
Yeah. Up here. Yes. Make the eyeball.
Stop.
You make the spots on the dinosaur's body. Yes. Good job. You done?
No. One left.
One left, okay. Now you're going to make the pickles on his body.
Stop.
You close it. Make now.
Good.
Okay. Now what you are going to make?
A big pickles.
Pickles. What is the color of this?
Purple.
Purple.
It's in my. Where? It's it. Time Look!
Oh, what you have?
A big puppy.
Big giant doggy. Oh, it's so scary to me. It's so scary.
I'm gonna get you.
It's so scary to you, Manu. It's not scary.
It's so scary.
Can this doggy show us some tricks?
No.
What experiment you are going to do? It's a density salt tower. Okay. And what things will you need for it? Can you name it?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Food colors.
Food colors.
Glass.
Food colors, we have two colors, green and yellow, and you need two empty glass and
It was hot.
hot water and
Salt.
salt. Let me start our experiment.
A spoon.
And spoon to mix it. Okay, let me start our experiment.
Yes.
Let me start it. Yes. Can you add this salt in one glass?
This one.
You can add it without measuring because I know this is the 2 spoon salt. You add in this.
This one.
Yeah, add
This
it.
way.
Yes, you can add this way.
This one.
One of glass.
This one.
Yes, add it. Add it. All. Add all. Okay.
This way.
Yes. Now, this one glass has a salt and another glass is
No.
without salt. Okay. And now you pour some hot water in both of glass.
So
Okay. Can I help you because it's hot? It need mommy help, right?
No, do alone.
Do not do it alone. Always take your mommy help, right?
A Baba helps.
And Baba helps too. Okay. Can I pour it?
Yes.
You are going to mix the salt. So all the salt dissolve.
This one.
Yeah, you can take a spoon.
This one.
You don't need to mix it. This glass is without the salt. You mix another one. Yeah. Mix, mix, mix. When all the salt dissolve, it means it done. Okay. Then we add food color in it. Okay. What is this? No.
Yes.
Okay, mix it. It all dissolved? It dissolved? Okay.
Oh, no.
Okay, dissolve all the salt. And then we add the food color in both the glass so we can distinguish
Yeah.
which. Okay, done. Can I check?
Yes.
Now you add pinch of yellow color in the glass that have the salt. Salted water.
This?
You add the yellow color in the salted water.
This one?
Yeah, add it. You add the green color in the glass without salt. Now you mix it. Okay.
Do this
This yellow water is with the salt and green water is without glass, without the salt. Okay, you done. Now in the next step, you pour this green glass in the yellow one.
This one.
Yeah, add it.
All?
Yes, you can. Okay, left it.
What's next?
Yes. This yellow color come on the top of this green color. Okay.
It's so green. Down?
Green go down and the yellow color come up. Why it happen? It's because of the density. Of the density because the glass that have the more salt, it is less dense. Okay. And the glass that is without salt, it is in. Okay. So this is because of the density, they don't dissolve with each other. Do this to check the density of water and the oil. We are going to check the density of the water and the oil. You can see the oil don't mix in water and it starts floating on the water. Why? Because the oil have a low density. Okay. Water in a glass. Yes. I do it.
Yes.
Okay. Now you add the water in the glass and now you take the oil.
This one I added.
Yes, you add the oil in the water.
Open. All?
Yes, open. Not all.
Tiny.
Yeah.
Tiny.
Some more. Yes. Now leave it. And close the cap.
Why?
You know why you close the cap.
Mama, I want help.
Okay. I help you. Okay. Now you can see this oil is floating on the water. Why it not mixed in the water?
It's high density.
Yes, the water has the high density and this oil have a, lift your head, and the oil have a low density, and the oil low density things float and the high density things sink. We can see the thing that have a high density that sink. Let's we do another experiment.
Yeah.
Okay, going to see the lemon have the high density or the low density. Let's we add some water in the glass.
The hot?
It's not hot, no more hot. Yes, add it.
All?
Yes, you can add all. Hold the glass with another hand. Yes, hold it.
Slippery.
Can I help you?
Yes, I
Okay.
hold the glass.
Okay. Now you put this lemon in the glass. It sink or float?
It's sink.
Yes, it sink. What does it mean? It means the high density thing sink. The lemon have high density, so it sink. So you think why the boats float on the water? Why they don't sink in the water? Why?
It's high density.
Water have the high density and the boat have low density. Now you clear the concept of low density and high density?
You like my experiment? You like my acting? Sink is float. You like that? And you like my acting? You like my thinking acting? Join more my videos. Click the red button. It's find more channels. Bye bye.